Well, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel, Living with Karen. Anyway, this is my coming up scenes of what I'm going to be doing. It's going to be basically working in the kitchen and working in the living room. And anyway, I hope you will like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things so you get the notifications for when I post. Okay, so in the kitchen tonight, on this video, I'm basically kind of doing some little bit of a deep cleaning, and I'm not doing my usual big clean in the kitchen, like doing the dishes and all that stuff. That's already been done. I will be kind of doing some dusting and some cleaning, just kind of doing the normal, little bit of the normal stuff like sweeping and vacuuming. And then I'm going to be doing some dusting in some areas that I normally don't ever do in my kitchen, on a normal day-to-day basis and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoy this part of the video, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, this is kind of like towards the end of the video, and I kind of flip-flopped kind of these scenes around because I wanted to kind of do the kitchen first uh, in the video and all this stuff. So this was being done during that day, earlier that day and all that, but I put it kind of to the back of the video or whatnot. But anyway, this is the one chore that I do only once a year, and that is the carpet cleaning. And I pick a day where, my husband is, I don't know, kind of more out of the house type of thing, and where I'm kind of alone or whatnot, and there won't be hardly anybody going up and down the stairs, so that way I can get this done. I started this in the morning. I want to say I started around maybe 9-ish, but I did the prep work in the previous video. And then when I mean by prep work, what I did is I kind of dusted the side of the what you call railings there or whatnot. So I did do that, and then I vacuumed the stairs, and then I also scraped them, and I used a tool that Deedee in My Big Tidy Up, she's the one that kind of showed about it, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. So I got me one, and I've had mine for about a couple of years now. But anyway, I use it to kind of get, as much as the cat fur and all that stuff that's on the stairs. So I use that. Then I use my vacuum again to kind of get that cleaned up and all that. And then that was the prep work. So now I'm just basically using the little green machine to clean the carpet. And like I said, I only do this once a year. I do it in the summertime because I don't like to do it in the spring. I don't like doing it in the fall, winter either, because of the fact that, well, the weather is kind of cooler and it takes longer for the carpet to dry and everything. So that's why I do that in the summer. So anyway, it kind of gives my house a little bit of a refresh before the fall and winter kick in. But anyway, so this is the one chore that I do pretty much once a year. The rest of it I do maybe every 3 to 6 months or whatever, just depending on how bad it is or whatnot. So anyway, I hope this video gives you some motivation and inspiration to clean your carpet, to clean your kitchen, and areas that you don't normally clean all the time. Okay, guys. Well, my video is about 12 minutes and 30 minutes long and whatnot. So anyway, it's about to end. So I'm going to go ahead and just play a little bit of music towards the end. It's not going to be much. But anyway, I hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.